Alright guys, today I will be scalping Bitcoin in the live market, and I will be using 3 different indicators. I will use the 50 EMA, I will use the 200 EMA, and I will use the MACD. I will be trading based on the 5-minute time frame, but I will use the MACD from the 1-minute time frame. You can change the MACD settings here from 5 minutes to 1-minute time frame, so I'm combining 2 different time frames. If you want to know more about the strategy I'm using, you can go to my channel and check this video, but I will also use some price action in this trading session. I will trade using Bybit, which is my favorite exchange, because I think that's the best exchange for scalping and day trading. If you also want to trade on Bybit, you can go to my video description down below and click my affiliate link here to create an account. But this is only for experienced traders. Keep in mind that my trading style is very risky. I'm using a 50x leverage, which is very, very high, and this is not recommended for beginners at all. But without further ado, let's start trading. Alright, it's time for a new trade. Okay, I will just enter the trade and I will explain afterwards. So market 100% and open long. I'm now in the trade. Let's add a stop loss. Okay, so the stop loss is all set now. Let's add a target profit with the limit order. Alright, I'm now in the trade, everything is all set. So let me explain this trade real quick. As you can see here, we had a golden crossover on the 5-minute time frame. This was 7 hours ago. Then we had a very steep uptrend here, 3% in just 1 hour. So we also had a few very big downticks on the MACD, but since we moved up so drastically, I think it's a bit risky to enter on these downticks right here. So I wanted the price to go back down and break this support line here. Let me show you. I wanted it to break this one to the downside, and we did that, and then we had a small pump. And the drop we can expect from downticks like this, we had a lot of downticks in a row, and all of them were very big. I don't think we had the up move that I can expect from that. And also I saw a lot of bullish action in the order book. Now it turned bearish again, so it might be that I took a bad trade here. But yeah, based on what I saw, based on the pattern, based on this huge pump and then this weak retracement here, I think it might move to the upside. And this green candle was a huge thing for me. If we continue to drop, I will wait for the price to come down to the 50 EMA. But since everything looks so bullish, I think we will have a pump 0.5% to the upside. So let's wait and see if this is a winning trade. Alright guys, that was the first win of the day, the first trade of the day. So I will wait for a few moments here and I will look for the next trade. We are now at the resistance line here, so it might be a good time to enter a short position, to be honest, because we are very close to the swing high here. And the daily candle is a bit overextended, I think. So we could easily get a small wick here to the downside, like 0.5%. I think that might be the case, to be honest, if we don't break here. Okay, so we just broke it and came down. So we have 2.5 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. I just closed my long position, so I will have a look at the order book. I think it might be a good time to enter, to be honest. I just want the bullish pressure to slow down a little bit. I want some confirmation. Like now we are breaking up really hard, and let me see, we are now 0.2% above the previous swing high, and we just pumped 0.6%. And is it a good time to enter a long position? No, I don't think so. Looks like the MACD wants to curve down, and we have a lot of bearish pressure in order book. Okay, I will go into a short right now. I'm in the short. Okay, let's add a stop loss. So the stop loss is now all set. I'm already in profit here. Let's do close by limit. 63,839.5 times 0.995. 63,520. 63,520. Check post only here. And the trade is all set up now. And as you can see, we had a very big pump here. Okay, I'm already in profit here, guys. That was a very fast trade. It took only like 20 seconds to close this trade. So yeah, we now have 2 wins and 0 losses. And let's see if we can make another trade right off the bat. Here we have a lot of volatility in the market. I just closed my long position, and then I went short up here and took the profit straight away here. So 2 very fast trades, especially the last one was very, very fast. And now I think we might pump. Okay, we are pumping. I'm going in right now. I'm in the long position right now. Okay, adding my stop loss 63,389, 63,389.5. So the stop loss is all set. Now let's add the limit order, the target order 63,963. 63,963, use post only. And I'm now in the trade. And the logic behind this trade is that we went up from the swing high. We pumped 0.7%. I took the short and that was a profit. And then we came back all the way here. So now I think the price will pump back at least 0.5% because we have bullish pressure in the order book, in the market overall. So I think we have more movement to the upside here in the very short term. I mean, this candle closed as a green candle, and then immediately after we saw people starting to buy up again, and we saw the momentum to the upside that I'm looking for. So hopefully we can win this trade as well. Let's see if this will work out. I will leave the trade here so you can see how it moves. So the target is up here, stop loss is down here. Let's see if this can be a win. Alright, so that was the first loss of the day. We have 2 wins and 1 loss. To be honest, I went into that trade way too early there. I should have waited for some more confirmation. So that was very bad by me, a pure mistake there. But that happens, no worries. We still have 66% win rate for today, which is very good. That's all I need. So since we have a lot of volatility now, I want to see if the price will continue to drop or if it wants to go to the upside again. So what I'm looking for now, I want the price to come down to the 50 EMA, or I want the price to test, let me draw some boxes here. All right, there we go. So if we come down to this green box, I will look for a long, if we can see the right confirmation. If it comes up to this red box, I will look for a short. If we can see the right confirmations. The reason that this red box is bigger than this green box is because we had a huge wick here, and therefore this green box doesn't have to be that big. So if we come down here and we just crash down, I will wait for the price to move around here. But if we can see some bullish confirmation inside of this box, I will make a long position. So let's wait and see. I think the price will move to one of these boxes within a few minutes only, maybe half an hour, max 1 hour. So I will keep an eye on the chart at all times, and yeah, I'll come back when something more happens. All right, so we are now in the green box around 10 minutes later here. So I will decide here if it's a good time to enter. We have some big momentum to the downside. However, the order book is very volatile at the moment, and we have some bullish pressure as well. We have the wick there, and I think that's a good sign. I will enter a long position right now. Boom. I'm now in the trade, taking my entry, 63,277.5 times 0.996 to get the stop loss, 63.24. 63.24. Let's add a target with the limit order, 63.594. 63.594 and use post only. So now everything is all set here. Okay, so why I took this trade was because we were inside of the green box, touching the 50 EMA, which is a good sign. And also I saw some bullish pressure in the order book. We had a lot of green orders here, and also the price action showed me some bullish momentum as well. And it's reasonable for the price to go up 0.5% after this kind of movement. We had a drop at 1.5% in the very, very short term. And yeah, a drop at 1.5% in an uptrend that fast, and then touching the 50 EMA inside of my support box. As you can see, we had support here, 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 and now once again we are in the box. So in my opinion, this is a valid trade. We also had 3 very big downticks on the MACD, and the crossover was around 9.5 hours ago. So I think it's reasonable. Let's see if I'm right. The trade should close in just a few minutes. I will keep the trade here, and I'll get back when it closes. Alright guys, I'm happy for today. 3 wins and 1 loss. That's a win rate at 75% for today's trading. I was able to grow my account by 28% in 1 day. Very good in my opinion. If you also want to trade on Bybit, go to my video description down below. Use my affiliate link and click there, create an account. And you can also get the welcome bonus after your first deposit. However, this is only for experienced traders, and my trading style is very risky, so it's not recommended for beginners at all. If you want to know more about my scalping strategy, click the video to the left. If you want to see more live trading from me, click the video to the right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.